Hello there, you lovable piece of garbage. Are you tired of sitting the wrong way on your chair? Are you tired of having your spine shaped like a question mark? Are you tired of giving a humpback whale a competition for whose spine is more deformed? Does a camel have an inferiority complex to you because your spine is shaped like a question mark? Well, this is the video for you. Today we're gonna teach you how to fix your garbage monster. And it starts with 3 easy steps. 1 is realize that your life is a complete failure. Number 2, get a proper chair. Number 3, sit in the chair, not the wrong way. I mean, what would I know? I just have a PhD. I went to school for this, professional sitting school for 15 years. Best experience of my life. I'm in crippling debt. Now let's see what we have to work with. These are the typical kind of sitting postures you're going to see. This, that. No, that's actually adorable. And this, All you need to do is plant your back firmly against the backrest of the chair. Make sure that you're actually using the armrest. Have head tilted forward in a 90-degree angle along with your arms accompanying if you're going to be typing. Now you might be thinking to yourself, what's the harm in sitting wrong? Nothing could happen, right? Well, good for you! If you carry out this very simplistic technique, you will ensure to live to the age of 403. I would know. Ask my grandmother. She's dead. She's 405 now. It's been scientifically proven that if you do these things, you won't explode. Which is always good. Exploding.
I've been trapped in this room against my will for over a month doing chair demonstrations for Skittles. Someone please send help.
Oh, fuck. No!